In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move your files in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you want to move a file or some files into a specific folder in your drive, here's how to do it in the Google Sheets app. So once you found or once you have your file that you want to move to another folder, all you have to do would be to tap on the ellipses on the right side. There you go. Here are the options that you will be given, and if we try and swipe up, you'll see more options. And one of those options would be to move your file. You have it between your rename and your add shortcut to drive option. So if we tap on it, there you go. We can now select our destination, and frankly, the only destination that we can actually select would be my drive. If we try and tap on shared with me, it doesn't give you the option to move it there. Also with our starred, not an option. We can add those if these are files that are shared with us or if we personally just put that file in a starred folder. So again, we're going back to my drive, and right here, if we tap on this, here are the folders or the other files that are in our drive. So if we want to move that file to, let's say, new files right here, this folder named new files, there we go. We now have the option at the bottom right to move it here. So if we select it and tap on move here, there you go. How to move your file, move to new files. So if we go to our folder right here and tap on my drive and open the new files folder, there you have it. We now have that file moved right here. Let's select another file to move. So let's say this second one right here, just tap on the ellipsis on the right side. Swipe up until you see the move option, tap on it, then go to my drive, select the folder where you want to move it. Let's select the second one where it says Sheets folder. And again, we have the option move here at the bottom right. If we tap on it, there you have it. That file have been moved to the Sheets folder. If we go back to our folder right here, go to Drive and open the Sheets folder, there you have that spreadsheet. So that's how easy it is to move your files in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.